Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to set a minimum order quantity from some selected collections in Shopify. Using the total quantity condition, you can easily define a minimum order quantity for products from a specific collection, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the total quantity condition. So first, we'll search for total quantity in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. For this video, we will choose the essential one. Select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Total Quantity. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we set total quantity to block if less than 5. Then select Selected Products and choose Collections. Finally, we include the Bare collection. This means customers must add at least 5 items in total from this collection to place an order, otherwise the customers will be blocked. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Please add at least 5 Bare items in your cart." This message will be displayed at the checkout page. You may see this Add Translation button if your store supports multiple languages. When you click on Add Translation, you can add translations of the error message for all the languages that are active in your store, so customers will see the error message in their selected language. After that, you'll find the Advanced Settings section here, which we don't need for this video. Additionally, you can review the Summary section at the top right. By taking a quick look at it, we can easily understand how this rule works. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the minimum order quantity from the selected Bare collection hasn't been met yet. Customers will still be able to click the Pay button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's go back to the cart page and increase the number of the Bare items above 5. And as you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!